Rumah Belajar. How are you doing? I hope you all fine. Welcome again in Rumah Belajar English channel. Still with me, Mr. Komar Budiardi. Well everyone, now I'm in the restaurant. I want to eat fried rice. I also want to eat fried potatoes. I want to eat both fried rice and fried potatoes. I don't like to drink orange juice. I don't like to drink guava juice. I like to drink neither orange juice nor guava juice. The chicken soup is delicious. It is cheap. The chicken soup is not only delicious but also cheap. It's up to me. I will order the fried food or I will only order the grilled food. Well, I will order either the fried food or the grilled food. All is available here. Everyone, apakah kalian mencatat kata-kata both and, neither nor, either or, not only but also? Kata-kata ini disebut dengan correlative conjunction. So, what is correlative conjunction and what are the functions of them? Stay tuned here in Rumah Belajar. Correlative conjunction adalah kata sambung yang memiliki pasangan yang masing-masing untuk menggabungkan dua buah kalimat atau frase yang memiliki struktur gramatikal yang sama. Not only, but also. Bukan atau tidak hanya, tetapi juga. Yang menunjukkan bahwa ada hal lainnya yang juga harus diperhatikan atau dicatat. For example, Melly not only sing the song, but also composes it. Artinya, Melly tidak hanya menyanyikan lagu, tetapi juga mengubah lagu. Both and. Dan keduanya, yang menunjukkan adanya kesamaan di antara dua hal. For example, both Naomi and Maria play tennis. Naomi and Maria keduanya bermain tenis. Either or, baik maupun. Juga bisa bermakna antara atau yang menunjukkan adanya pilihan di antara dua hal. For example, either Putri or Dewi goes to the library on Monday. Neither nor, baik maupun tidak. Atau bukan ini, bukan pula itu, yang menunjukkan bahwa ada kedua hal yang dikemukakan sama-sama tidak benar atau bukan keduanya. For example, neither I nor he read the newspaper. Artinya, baik saya maupun dia tidak membaca surat kabar. Belajar menggabungkan dua buah kalimat dengan menggunakan correlative conjunction. Kita mulai saja dengan both and. For example, I will buy the red hat. I will buy the black tie. Combined to be, I will buy both the red hat and the black tie. Either or. For example, you can use my motorcycle. You can use my bicycle. Combined to be, you can use either my motorcycle or my bicycle. Neither nor. For example, I don't enjoy the show. Michelle doesn't enjoy the show. Combined to be, neither I nor Michelle enjoy the show. Not only, but also. For example, Steve is clever. Steve is talented. Combined to be, Steve is not only clever, but also talented. Exercises, latihan. Number 1. I love playing violin, piano. Yes, I love playing both violin and piano. Number 2. She is beautiful, talented. Yes, she is not only beautiful but also talented. Number 3. Taylor nor Adele want to play this song. Yes, neither Taylor nor Adele want to play this song. The last, number 4. I or my friends want to see the film. Yes, very good. Either I or my friends want to see the film. Everybody, today we have learned about correlative conjunction. Thanks for watching. See you next session. Bye.